What's up, guys? I'm pointing at the sun, my bad. We're at Canaan, New Hampshire, Canaan Motorsports Club with MassTuning. The drive up here wasn't too bad. However, I'm getting in a streak of bad luck here. I think I ran over a chipmunk on accident. And then a deer came out in front of me, but I dodged that. So good luck on that, and that'll go throughout the day. We got like 4 C's here. There's a white one back there. We got Tim, and then we got Andre, and then myself. So I think it's gonna be a good day. I mean, it's beautiful out. You know, everyone's wearing their masks. I'm not near anyone right now, so I don't have my mask on. But before they complain. But yeah, it's gonna be a 2-hour session instead of like 20-minute sessions every few sessions, and then yeah, it's gonna be like 20-ish cars, maybe a little bit more than 20 cars out on track. I'm not in a rush to go out there immediately because everyone's gonna bump out there, but you know, hopefully we can get some clean laps today. But more importantly, this is practice. I want to test the tires. It's my first track event. Got to be careful. So you guys will be on my helmet or my windshield, and we'll get to it. Easy first few laps, come on. Hey guys, we just got off the track. Just a little 15-minute session for the first go around. I'm running traction control or VDC in these Nissans because this track does have a lot of camber change. Right before pit entry there is a very weird hill. You'll see it. I'm always sketched out by that, but I think I know how I'm taking it better. Caught up to Tim. Tim's gonna pick up his times for sure, I know that.
Is that a 115 filled out of 111?
Something like that, I gotta check. But you guys will see it. I'll put the times in the video. But yeah, first good session. We were following each other. We had 3 Z's in a row. I'm not sure where Andre was, but
Andre's way faster.
yeah, he's on already 71s. I'm using that excuse. But all right, I'm gonna bring you guys back on my head, and we'll be at the next session. How'd your runs go?
It was good. First session was trying to get a feel for the car. I haven't driven the car. Did a few modifications. I haven't driven it in like 7 months, so I was kind of nervous, but I think that last session was pretty good. It was definitely fun driving with you, both you and Andre.
Yeah, Andre's like killing it.
Andre's.
Speaking of Andre, he's right there. What's up guys? So we just finished our last session. We all came out unscathed. I had this weird noise in my brakes as I was pitting in, but I'll wait for them to cool and I'll feel it on the test drive home. But we all beat our times from the time trial. Andre wasn't there last year, but
yeah, Andre wasn't there. He ran a 107.
Andre ran a 107. Tim ran a 109.9, and the only one that I got recorded was a 109.8. So I beat Tim this time.
First event of the year.
First event of the year. I don't know what's gonna happen in the rest of the year. No, I'm just playing. But
it's all fun.
I'm gonna go see what those other times were. You guys will see them before I did. But there's 2 sessions that I didn't get times from because my GPS got lost. But you know, everyone out here was awesome. You know, no one was being a douche on track. So this group is awesome to run with. If you're in the New England area, hit up MassTuning. Armin is a good dude.
Stop stancing your cars and track them.
What was that, Tim?
I said stop being hot boys and bring your car to the track. Got hurt?
Yeah, either do that or do Lock City Drift, you know. At least do something with your car that's not just stance. I get it, but it's not my thing. You know, I got -3 degrees up front, but nothing like -5 or 10. So I will see you guys.
-3 with a purpose.
-3 with a purpose. It should be a slogan.
Yeah.
That might be my channel slogan. Let's go. But
we'll get it.
all right, I'll see you guys in the next one. I plan to do the time trial nationals, but I gotta see how work goes. And you know, we're gonna end this off with a time lapse of my drive home.